gonna do Ratchet Girl by Emmanuel Hill Pussy. So she is doing it the most. OMG, what does she have? She ratchet. Her legs start to come over because she ratchet. Come on, I'm gonna take this down. I'm gonna put this down. I have time for this. I'm too young. Boy, back, American shoes on. Ooh, you wanna punch her in her face? I can stand her. Ooh, she's too straight. Let me tell you what I got on the phone missing. I said before, we came with a sister. I'm free, that's you hit the floor. Middle of your stuff. There's your wake up. Happy to death. Everybody gets for this death. Cause you can get my baby death. They said that he is for kiss to death. You baby, you to death. Talk with it to church. You check it, yes, death. You're busy to death. Down with it up. Motion. It's a big thing. I got my food stamp. Got a brand new pistol. Brand new tech. $95 for this V plus tech. Back. This is a rock background. This is just secular. This can make you better than you do. This is funky. Get lost. My number. Well, back. This funky. Hey girl, you look good. Come on, let me see whose food is okay. Okay. OMG, what does she have on? She ratchet? Her legs jump is all on. Got it. Put this down. I ain't got time for this. I'm too young. Boy, back, not with the shoes on. Ooh, you want to punch her in her face. I can stand her. Oh, she's too straight. My name is Eva and I love my best friend Thomas Card. This is a card. Yes, I'm the baddest. Because this is Ari. This is his my baby. Mari. Jordan is my first song. Pound. Skin by skin. You don't look in the red bone. That's just like my pictures. New every dog with it. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. We flip phone. Sing Chris down. If he don't shut it up, then it's too shut down. Shit. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it seems he paying. OMG, what does she have on? She ratchet. Her legs fun is gone wrong because she ratchet. Good fun. Got it. I put this girl on Twitter. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, back now with them shoes on. What do you want? Punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she's too fake. Bye.